Okay, so today we are starting with our first module, that is search engine optimization. Okay, okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in this session, we will be learning about search engine optimization, like what is search engine optimization, what is search engine results page, uh, then what are the main components of search engine, then what is content research and keyword density, keyword research, then on-page SEO. So these are the things that we are going to learn in this session. So in this session we will be learning everything about on-page SEO. In the next session we will be seeing everything related to off-page SEO. So I'll let you know what is on-page SEO and off-page SEO. That all things will be coming, seeing it in coming slides. So starting with what is search engine optimization. So search engine optimization, see over here, it says that all the efforts that we try to get our web page to show up or rank in search engine results, that is to get our website in search engine results page. So what does it mean? So it means that all the efforts that we take on our website so that our website comes up in search engine, that is called as search engine optimization. Say suppose I search for a keyword helpopedia. So helpopedia is this is my website. Over here you can see the results are coming up on the right hand side, on the left hand side it is coming up, and my website is coming up at the top. So this is the result of search engine optimization. So now whenever we search for any keyword and our content comes up in search engine results page, that is all efforts are called as search engine optimization. So now in this session we will be learning what is how to do that search engine optimization. So this is called as search engine results page. So whatever page that comes up after searching any page, that is search engine results page. Then the next thing is, say over here we have two kinds of results. Just one sec. Hello. Okay, so say for example, whenever I search for say anything like say digital marketing courses, then I can see some paid advertisement over here. You can see this AD. Can you see this AD over here? So this AD, then over here this is AD, this is AD, this is AD. So these all are paid advertisements. So these are all pay-per-click ads. So whenever I click on this, they have to pay these. This website has to pay some amount to search engine, that is Google. So these are all paper advertisements. So these are not organic results. They did not take any efforts to reach over here on first page. See over here, the other websites which are there, which are coming up over here, these are all organic results. So that is SEO, that is done with the help of SEO. So that is the only difference. We can see that out of the two results, these are pay-per-click ads, and this is search engine optimization, where people have taken efforts. So the first one is inorganic, the second one is organic. So that is the basic difference when we search for any content on search engine. So there are various search engines, as we know, like Google, Yahoo, MSN, Ask, AOL, Bing. So that is from Microsoft. So these are all search engines. Now, say we should know that what are the various components of search engines, so that if we know how does a search engine work, then we can get our websites in search engine. So the first component of search engine is Spider. So Spider is a small program that a search engine uses to follow links throughout the internet, grabbing content from the sites and adding it to search engine database. So these spiders are also known as robots or crawlers. So whatever we call, so it can be called as robots, it can be called as crawlers, it can also be called as spiders. So these are small application programs which are coded, and their work is to go all around the internet worldwide, and they'll collect all the new content that is uploaded today, and then collect that data and add it to the Google search engine database. So the next process is crawling. So the crawling is the process of going all over the internet and finding documents that are uploaded today. So today I might have uploaded a new blog on my website and a new video on YouTube. So both of these content are collected, are crawled by the Google bots, and then they are added in the search engine database. So when someone will search for that particular video or any content like document or keyword, like just now what I searched, then my content will come up. So that is what I'm talking about. So that is called as crawling. So then it is indexing. So indexing is the process of adding the web pages into Google search. Now say over here, sorry, not over here, on this page, we can see there are lots of results. Say this website is on the top, this website is at the second position, this website is at third position, this website at fourth position, like this. There are total of, you can just see, 172 crore websites listed. So these all websites are indexed in a particular order, and then they are displayed in search engine results page. So this is search engine results page, what we are seeing on the screen. So that part is called as indexing. So now when I search digital marketing courses, then at that time Google will decide that okay, this website is very much relevant to the keyword what the user is searching in search engine Google. So yes, then it will be displayed that okay, this is first result, then this is second position, so this will come at second position. This is little less relevant, so this would be at third position, then at fourth position, like this. All the websites are indexed, and they are displayed on the search results. So that is what indexing is referred to. So now say if I give you an example, say for this content, I have already given you the this result. So now let me just type something like 21 days unlocking series. So over here, this, you can see this video. So this is my video, which is at the first position on Google. So like this, I have done SEO on it, and my video is coming up on the first page of Google. Now I will search the same thing on YouTube. Say if I go to YouTube and I search for the same keyword or the same phrase on YouTube, then just let me see if my video is coming up on the first page or not. you can see this is the video. You can see my name also over here, Hitesh Chhatralia by Hitesh Chhatralia, the 21 days lockdown series, unlocking digital marketing by Hitesh Chhatralia. So you can see my video is on the first position. So this is what it comes up by doing all the SEO on the videos as well as on the content. So we will be learning all these things, how to get our content, whether it is a video or a website or a web page or a blog, to get it on the first page of the search results. So that is all the process that we do, that is called as search engine optimization. So now there are various things that we need to take care when we are doing search engine optimization. So the first thing is title tags. So title tags, see, every website will have a title. So like say every page, not just the website, say I'll just show you. Okay, so if I talk about any page, just let me see if I have anything. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. So this is a blog that is written. So over here we can see this is the title of this particular topic: Google and iOS apps of the decade 2010 to 2019. So this is the title. So this is what we are talking about. So this is the title of this particular page. So this particular title should have our keywords. So now what does keyword means? Keyword means anything that we are searching on Google with the help of keywords. So on Google just now I was searching with the keyword 21 days unlocking series. So this particular 21 days unlocking series is a keyword. So it's a phrase. So phrase, or say you can search with the help of keyword. So that is a single word that we are talking about, say like helpopedia, or so we can say that any keyword like digital marketing course. So these all keywords or the words that we search on Google are called as keywords. So these title tags should have keywords placed in the title. So whenever we search anything on Google, then our content might come up in search results. So this is not just one thing. So yes, we have many other things to be followed, so that all things we are seeing. Now the next thing is description. So this description is something that we can see over here. So this is the description that we are talking about. So here you can see this description. So this description is called as meta description, or over here also you can see this first paragraph. So this is what the description is called. So the content that we take from our blog, that is 160 characters, any 160 characters that we take is called as description. So this description is called as meta description. So meta description is the name of the content which is named in the language of search engine optimization. So meta description is the description so that we take from the content. So this is displayed over here. So this is meta description. So this is the most important, because after reading this, people will take decision that whether they will click on this link or this link. So first I will read this, and then I'll say that okay, fine, this content is more related to what I'm searching for, or maybe this content is at the second position. So after viewing this website, I might go to view this website and not this website. So depending on that description, people might take decision. So that is the reason this description is very important. And in this description also I should have my keywords. So all the important keywords that I feel that this post is related to, that this content is related to, so I need to add my keywords over here. So that is description. Then the third thing is URL. What is URL? See over here we can see all these URLs. So when I'm searching for digital marketing courses, See, all the URLs that you can see over here will have digital marketing courses or digital marketing in the URL. See over here in this course also, in this also digital marketing is there. Over here also digital marketing is there. Over here also digital marketing is there. So like this, there are or in all the URLs you will see digital marketing courses, see digital marketing. So our keyword should be there in the URL also. So once it is there in all the places, then my content will come up in search engine. Otherwise, it will not come up. Then in site navigation, so site navigation is something which is called as menu. So over here we can see that there are various menus over here. So over here we can see the latest labels, so that is the keywords that we can see. So any link which we click and which will take us to the other pages of our website or any part of our website or blog, that is called as navigation. So that is the place with which we can browse our website's different pages. So that is navigation. So in the navigation also I should have all my keywords, so that people will see that okay fine, these all content is there in this website. See over here Google and iOS apps, then over here also SEO and its importance, then future of content marketing. So there are various different kinds of keywords that are available and used for in different blogs. So that is site navigation. Then we have sitemaps. So sitemap is basically a file which contains all the URLs of the website, which is uploaded in a XML format on our server, on the root server of our website. So now, why do we upload these sitemaps? Because sometimes what happens that I do not want all the URLs or all the pages to come up in search engine. So some of the pages might be private or some of the directories could be private. So all the content in those directories or particular files is private, which I don't want the world to see. So in that case, I will use sitemaps with all the links of my website, which I will tell Google that okay fine, these are the links which I want you to crawl and take it and store it in your database. So when people will search for various keywords which are listed into it, my pages will come up in search engine. So for that reason we add sitemap to our website. So that is one type of communication file between our website and Google or any search engine that applies, or any search engine bot that comes to our website to collect the content. So that is sitemap file. Then images. Now images, whatever images we use on our website, in that case I will not use say like 1.jpg or 2.png or 3.gif or anything like that. I will use a proper naming conventions for the images like digital marketing dot jpg or social media dot png or say mobile marketing dot png or anything like that. So when people will search for images in Google Images, at that point of time my website URLs will also come up. See for example, when I click on images, and after that I will search for Helpopedia. Now you can see all the images which are there on my website are listed over here. So now when people are searching for any keywords over here, then there are better chances that my website will come up in search engine. So for that reason we should have proper naming convention for all the images. Now say suppose if I am searching for digital marketing courses, so in that case you will find that all the images which are listed are related to the digital marketing, Can you see any other images which are not related to digital marketing? See, everything is related to digital marketing only, right? So that is because they have named the images in that particular format. See, for example, I will show you the list of images which I have used in my website, and I have given the name of mm, all the images. So I'll just show you, say, okay, training, digital marketing, okay, and images. Now in this directory you can see all the images. I'll just enlarge it, okay, large icons. Okay, so over here you can see say all LinkedIn marketing, social media marketing, then AI.jpg. AI means artificial intelligence. See over here AI transforming businesses. Then over here you can see apps of the decade. Then this is arena, so then arena.jpg. Then over here business education, then blog writing.jpg, blogging tips. Then there could be other images. See over here artificial intelligence.jpg. Then over here consumer search optimization, then content SEO copywriter.jpg. So like this there are various things. See over here digital marketing image.png. So all the images are having a particular name which is related to them. See over here ecommerce1.jpg, then ecommerce.jpg, email.png, email marketing.png. So like this we should write all the names of the images, so, and upload it and use it in our website. Otherwise when people will search for images, nobody's image will come up over here. If these people have also might not use anything related to digital marketing, then none of the images would be coming up over here. So for that reason we should use proper names for all the images, then our content will come up in search engine. Then we have, yeah, sorry, you have any question?
Yes. Supposingly, we both have digital marketing site.
Yes.
And we both use search engine optimization on that.
Right.
So whose website will come first?
It's not like that. Yes, your question is absolutely correct. That is called as competition. So in that case, there are various other factors. It's not just that you are using digital marketing and I am using digital marketing, so my website or your website will come to the top. Maybe somebody else's website might come to the top, because there are lots of other factors, say like the title that we are using in our content, then the description that we are using, the number of times we are using the keywords, what keyword research we have done, then how many keywords we have used in our content which are supporting to digital marketing or related to digital marketing. So there are n number of factors which decide whose page will come up on the top. So yes, of course, we will be learning that practically. So this is just a theoretical information, so that you will get to know that if I tell you everything first, that this all things works like this, then you will actually relate to that. Okay, yes, this was taught like this, and we have to do this practically like this. So for that reason, I'm showing you this. So these are just few slides. I would be showing maybe 5-6 slides, not more than that. There are total of 60-65 slides. I will be sending you this PPT at the end of the course, so that you can keep this as the notes. So it has all the information which is related to SEO. So yes, it will be very helpful for you. So yeah, so now the next thing is headings. See, my headings in the content should also have this my keywords. See over here, Google says that after every 250 words in your content, you should have a heading. So here I have a heading, then again some content, and then again I have some heading over here, then again some content 250 characters to 300 characters words, and then I have a heading. So Google says that you have to write, you need to have a heading in your content, because say suppose if I do not have any heading in my content, then what happens? Say the content is very long. See, this page is very long, and after reading, if you read the whole page and I ask you that what did you find, what was the content all about, and what did you understand from this page, then you will go blank, then it is not easy to understand. But if you have say all the headings, say like Twitter, Facebook, or I mean it can be anything, say Google Maps or anything, say over here it's Spotify. So then you will recollect that okay fine, this content had all the content which was related to the various websites, like Spotify and Google Map and Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and it had all the information related to these websites and how they were functioning and how they are different from other websites and what are their features. So that is what you can recollect the information about that page. So for that reason Google says that you need to have headings, and practically it is correct that we should have headings in our content. I cannot just write the whole paragraph and paragraph in one page without having any heading. So that is headings. So now what does the heading over here mean? It means that whenever I write my content, these headings should also contain some keywords. So if my content is on digital marketing, then my heading should also contain my tags, that is keywords, in the heading also. So we have used it in the title, say over here on the title we have used, then in the URL we have used, then in the headings we are using, then in the description also we are using. So like this we need to use it everywhere. So in the headings also we will be using it. So that is on page optimization. Then we have a file called as robot.txt file. So robot.txt file is basically a file which is the first point of contact between our website and Google search engine. So this file will tell Google bot that yes, this file applies to you. So I'll just show you an example of how does this look like, how does this robot.txt file look like, and what it means and what are the contents robot.txt file has. Okay, so it's
It
showing.
shows the hidden files of the website now.
It's not basically hidden, but we do not link that file anywhere in the content. So I mean it's just
Oh,
placed on the server. So when Google bots or Google spiders will come to our website, they will search
uh,
for this file, robot.txt file. So this is the robot.txt
uh,
file, and then it will start to read. So then it will read the first line, user agent star. So star means it applies to all search engine. Then Google bot will say okay, this applies to me. So it will go and read the second line. Then it says that allow slash means allow everything from this website. So it will take all the content from the website. Then it will read the third line. Then it will say disallow slash wp dash admin. Okay, so out of everything it wants only this particular directory to be hidden. So this particular directory, all the content of this directory should not be taken into search engine. So it will leave this directory and not take any content from this particular directory. So that is what it is. And then it will read for the fourth line, which says that sitemap and the location of the URL. So immediately it will leave this file and directly go to this particular URL and take all the URLs, that is all the pages which are there listed in that particular file, and it will take it uh, on in Google's database. So I'll just show you the XML file, sitemap.xml. How does it look like? So this is sitemap.xml. We cannot change the name of the file. It has to be in the same format, in the small case sitemap.xml. And this file is very large files here depending on the size of your website. So over here we can see this is LOC, means location. So this is the base URL of our website. Then these are all inner pages of our website. So it does not mean that it only has pages. It might have categories, it might have pages, it might have keywords, it can have anything. So all the places which
so
are accessed by URLs or links are listed over here. Yes, tell me.
So basically, these are subdomains of the website, na?
No, not subdomains. These are all the pages on the of the website. So see, anything that is coming up like helpopedia.com/search engine marketing. So search engine marketing is a blog. So that is one of the blog which is there on my website. Then helpopedia.com/about us is one of the page. Then contact us is one of the page. Then services or products could be one of the pages. Then there could be some tags on my website. So helpopedia.com/tags /search engine optimization. So then it will show all the blogs which are related to that particular tags. So it will take to all the pages. So these are all the pages, tags, categories on my website. So it can be static pages or blogs or anything which can be accessed with the help of URL. It includes also the subdomains, not the whole main domain. It also includes the subdomain if I have allowed it. So this is all the URL. So there are more than 200 URLs over here, 2000 URLs over here, which we can see over here. So these all is taken, these all URLs are taken by search engine, and then it is listed in Google's database. So that is what this robot.txt file is. So robot.txt file is a communication file, the first point of contact between Google, any search engine, and our website, which indicates that yes, this uh, website can be crawled. Now if I say the first line which said was user agent star, instead of user agent star, if I would have written user agent Google bot, then only Google search engine bot can crawl my website. If now Yahoo search engines bot will come, then it will read and it will say that okay, this website is not for me, so my content will not come up in search engine, in Yahoo search engine. So like this I can apply it to all the search engines. Now if I want to block any search engine, then I can block any search engine with that star mark. So I can add the name that okay fine, I will write only the names of the website, of the search engines which I want to allow. So any other search engine bots will not come on my website. So that is the reason I need to have a robot.txt file, which is very important file on the for any website. I mean, it is considered important for any of the website that we use. Sorry. So now coming to the next thing, that is keyword usage. So keyword usage is, now we were talking about that you had asked me that if you use digital marketing and I use digital marketing, whose website will come up in the first place. Now say over here we have to use the keywords for a particular number of time. So particular number of time means that if I want to, if my website is having say such a large content like these, say this website may be of probably 1500 words or maybe say 1000 words. So in that case, what does Google say? That you have to use 3% of your content as keywords. So say suppose your content or your blog or your page is of say 500 words, then 3% of 500 is 15. So 15 keywords should be used. So now in this you will decide that out of this 500 words, I have approximately say 5 keywords which are supporting, which I want to use. So out of which say the 5 keywords that I have decided is say digital marketing, then social media marketing, then say mobile marketing, and say maybe something else, affiliate marketing, then YouTube. So like this, I have decided that okay, fine, I have to use these five keywords. Now, how many?
So it
Yeah, sorry.
so it can't be more than 3%.
No, Google says that you cannot use more than 3%. If you are using more than 3%, then you are violating Google's policies. Then in that case, your website, your page will be banned from search engines. So you will have a negative ranking on Google. So for that reason, we have to follow this percentage level. So it is not exactly 3%. It can be 2%. It can be 2.5%. It can be 3%. But it ranges from 2 to 3%. So there is a website for it from where we can check all the updates which are released by Google from time to time. So that I will be showing you. So initially, first we'll understand
Okay.
that what is the 3% content that I can reuse. So now if I say that I want to use these five words, so I can use this digital marketing for 15 times. That's fine because my content is of 500 words. Then social media, I can use it for 12 to 15 times, so that's fine. So then I can use this mobile marketing for say maybe 10 times. Then I can use this affiliate marketing again for 15 times. And say YouTube, I want to use it. So YouTube, if I want to use it for 8 times, then it's okay. Or I can use that also for 13 times or 14 times, that's fine. So 15 keywords is the ratio, that is 15%. 15 keywords is the 15 keywords is the 3% of the keywords, total keywords that I have to use. So now if I want to use digital marketing more than 15 times, then I would be violating the Google policies, search policies, search engine policies. So I cannot use it more than 15 times. So whatever is the ratio it is given, that I have to use it. So today I am using 15 times. Tomorrow Google might say that you have to use it for 2%. So then you will calculate that okay, 5 twos are 10. So you have to remove the digital marketing and use it for 10 times. So you have to again update your content. So if you are having hundreds of content, hundreds of pages, then you should be ready to modify your content. So search engine optimization is not one time process that okay, fine, I have done SEO and I can forget my website. No, it's not like that. You have to keep on doing it. If you do not do it, then your website will slowly come down in search engine results page, and other people's website will come on the top. So for that reason, this keyword
Sir,
research, yes.
can I make two websites of the same name?
I mean, how is that possible? So I mean, if you want to use say XYZ and xyz.com and xyz1.com, something like that.
Something like that only. Like two websites of mine.
But say if tomorrow if the rules keeps on changing, so it is not just one thing that you will be working on. Say this is just one factor. So it is never possible for you to make two websites for different things, that okay, today is 3%, tomorrow is 2%. No, that is not possible. This is just one factor. Like this, there are more than 200 factors that we need to take into consideration. So how many websites will you make? So will you make 200 websites? I mean, that's not possible. So feasibly it's not possible. So I mean, you have to take efforts. See, search engine optimization is the most important part with which you will be seen in front of the world. If you want to be in front of the world, you have to take efforts. So that effort is search engine optimization. You saw my video which is coming up in on the first page of Google as well as on YouTube. So I have taken that efforts to get that video on the first page. So people might think that if any video is having thousands of views, or say lakhs of views and millions of subscribers, then only their videos will come up on the first page. No, that is not correct. That is a myth. That is absolutely wrong. See, my video is not even having, you see, my video over here, it's say having only 1000 views, and it was uploaded 2 months back, and I have a maximum of 27 subscribers. So I mean 27 subscribers and only 1100 views, and over here you can see there are 2 million views. See, 2 million views, and it was uploaded 1 year ago, and they might be having say a lots of subscribers. So see, still this website is at the third position, and my video is at the first position. So their video is, say, they are a verified channel. Say they are having a blue tick on their channel, so they are verified. My channel is not even verified channel. It's a simple channel. See over here also, this is also verified. See, 195,000 views. That is 1,95,000 views. So this is also verified. So but still this is down. See, this is also down. See, like all verified channels are down at the at the very lower positions. But see, my website is just having 1,100 views, but still my video is on the top. So I mean, this is not just in YouTube, but you search in any search engines, then my website, my this video will be on the top. So I mean, this is all the efforts that we take in SEO, doing SEO. Our content will come up in the top. So that was the reason I said that if you want to learn digital marketing, then you should concentrate on search engine optimization, because that is the most important part, which will help you throughout search engine, throughout digital marketing journey, which will be used everywhere from the first module to the last module that we will be learning. So with help of search engine optimization, you can get your YouTube videos to the top, you can get your website to the top, you can get your blogs to the top, you can get your social media accounts like Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn to the top. That all things, see, because if you know how to optimize your content, then any of your website or online assets or any social media accounts will come to the top in search engine. That is what search engine optimization is for. So, and that is what is called as on page optimization. Yes.
So, once your video comes on top,
Yeah.
so afterwards it won't come down, like it'll stay on top.
It might come down unless and until any other video is doing a better research and using the same keywords that we are using. Like you said that we both are using digital marketing, so whose content will come up first? So now if tomorrow somebody else is uploading another video, say you might be uploading another video and you have done a better SEO than me, then in that case, say your video will come up on the top and my video will be at the second position. So for that reason, depending on the SEO that we have done, our content will come up. So I mean, of course, once a position is taken, it will not go down. Especially in YouTube videos, it will not go down with those keywords unless and until somebody else is doing a better SEO than us. So that is the best part. But for
Okay.
website, you have to monitor on a daily basis, because that is I mean, people are searching for those keywords every day on this Google search engine or any other search engine. Then we have the next thing is negative on page SEO. So negative on page SEO is just if I want some results in search engine to be displayed, then I can use negative on page SEO. Say like I want to search for digital marketing courses in Mumbai minus Dadar. Though in that case, I will see all the digital marketing institutes in Mumbai, and it will remove all the listings from Dadar. So it will show me everything, all the institutes from Mumbai, and not show any institutes from Dadar. So that is negative on page SEO. So that is what is it now. But nowadays we don't use this negative on page SEO. So we use only normal SEO on our page, that is on page SEO. Then the next thing is mobile SEO. So mobile SEO is something like we optimize our content for mobile devices also. Say suppose I have created a website, Now that website is looking good on desktop and laptop, but if I open it on mobile device, then it might not look good. Say maybe it is going out of the screen, then I might have to scroll left and right to read the content. So that is not proper. So people will get fed up. So people will just like to scroll up and down to read the content. They might not like to scroll the content left and right. So we need to take care of all these things. But nowadays people use everything like content management system like WordPress or Drupal or any other content management systems that are available, with which all the websites that we develop are by default responsive on all the screens that we open our websites on. So if I open my website in a very small device on a mobile phone, then also it will look good. It will fit the screen. If I see it in a tablet, then also it will look good and fit in the screen. If I open it on a tablet or say laptop or desktop, everywhere it will look the same, and say it will not go out of the screen. So that is mobile SEO. And say for doing when we talk about SEO, then over there we need to use some content for mobile SEO. So whenever we write any content for mobile devices, then in that case we have to take care that whenever we create a new blog or a new page on our website, we can have a separate page for mobile devices. That is when people will click on about us. For desktop and laptop it will go to another page, and for mobile devices it will go to another page. So those pages are called as accelerated mobile pages, so that is called as AMP. So accelerated mobile pages are for mobile devices which are specially created so that they open faster on any mobile device or say smaller screens apart from desktops and laptops. So that is mobile SEO. So we need to take care of smaller screens as well, so that because nowadays people will are browsing everything from mobile devices. So we should take more care for mobile devices, so that all things will be learning. So after mobile devices you can see the arrow. So arrow means this arrow means that it is not stopping over here, that okay fine we have completed and again we are starting. That this arrow means that this is a continuous process and we do not stop. If we stop, then tomorrow somebody else will take over, and their website would come up on the top and we might lose our position and go at the bottom positions day by day. So for that reason this arrow
But
is provided, and we have to follow all these things. I don't say that you have to follow all these things every day, but yes, at least once in a week you just need to check everything, that okay your keywords are working, your keywords are at the top position, the keywords that you are using are having enough searches in Google. So that all things we need to check. So that is all on page optimization. So on page optimization is everything that we do on our website. So that is on page optimization. And in search engine optimization there are two types of optimization. The first one is on page optimization, which we have just seen, and the second one is off page optimization. Now off page optimization is where we do not touch our website, we do not make any changes on our website, we do not add any content on our website. Then you might ask that how can we do off page optimization? Yes, off page optimization can be done on another website. Say like I want to promote my website, so off page optimization is promoting our content. See, now our website is ready, and we have already optimized it by using on page optimization. So now my website is ready to conquer the world. So now first of all people should know that I have a website. So for that reason I will be using off page optimization to promote my website. So where will I promote? So I will promote my websites on various search engines like say Google, Yahoo, various places. So there are various applications available with which I can promote my content. So that all things we'll be seeing practically also. Then we will be promoting on various classifieds, then on various directories, then various, we'll write various blogs about our websites. I might create some videos and promote my website on YouTube also, or else I might write some press releases. I might give some advertisement on any other places online. I might have banners placed on any other website, or I might do some paid advertisement. So it's not necessary that I will do only off page optimization is something which is everything is free. I can do paid advertisement also. So I can post, I can do the paid advertisement on Google search also. So that is all off page optimization. So off page optimization is everything done not on our website. So that is off page optimization. So that is promoting our content on various other websites. So it can be on social media network like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, or any other Pinterest or Instagram. Wherever we want, we can promote our content. Then I can write on various classifieds like OLX and Quicker. Then I can post a small promotional video on YouTube. Then I can post it in various directories. So directories like Just Dial, India Mart, there are then Yellow Pages. These are all directories. So these are all online directories where I can post my content, I can promote my content and add it, so that my people will, when people will search for any of the products or services, then my website will be seen in the results and people will come to our website. So that is off page optimization. Now off page optimization is the most important and the most strongest part of digital marketing, with which you can promote your content, any type of content, absolutely free of cost. And it is very very powerful than any marketing in the world. So that you will be learning how in coming lectures, because we will be doing it practically, and I'll be showing you. So now say this is off page optimization, where we take all the measures that can be taken outside of the actual website in order to improve its position in search engine. Yes, so when more people will see our website on other places, say more ads will be seen. Say like it's example that I might see more ads on television, then at least I will go and buy that product once and see how that product is. It is the same thing like my website will be promoted throughout the internet on various websites, and people will see my website and they will come to my website, and they'll see that okay, what it is, what they are promoting, what products they have, what services they have. So then people, if they like, then they will come and buy some products. Or if I just have blogs, then people who are interested to read blogs, they might just come and read the blogs, and they will become my subscribers. They might subscribe to my newsletters on my website. So that is what they can do. So that is like say directory submissions, search engine submissions, blog article submissions, then social bookmarking, free classified websites, press releases, backlinks, and directory submission. Backlinks is something wherein wherever we promote, we provide our links on other websites. See, otherwise how will they come to know that this is our website? So we have to provide our URL, and URL is the food for search engine bots, because Google search engine bots, whenever they crawl the internet, they can crawl or they can walk only on the links that are provided. They cannot crawl on the content that is on the text. They can crawl only on the links. So they will take all the links. So they, from one link they'll jump to another link, from another link they'll jump to third link. So like that, backlinks, we have to build backlinks. So more number of backlinks, then it's that one day your website has a very good chance to become viral. So with the help of off-page SEO, using all this off-page optimization, you can make your content go viral depending on how much efforts you are posting. So maybe if you are posting 100 off-page optimization strategies everywhere on every single day, then in say 6 months or 1 year, your content will go viral. and your website will be seen everywhere. So yes, I mean, this is also an continuous process. You cannot stop it. More you promote it, more people will come to your website. You will get more traffic on your website, and once your content comes up in search engine, your website will be famous. You will get more leads, and you will do more business. So once you become famous, then at that point of time you do not need to promote it. Say for example, Amazon does not require to promote their website. I mean, the whole world knows that there is a website for shopping called as Amazon. So once you gain popularity, you do not require to promote anything. Then people themselves will promote the website that okay, Amazon is very good, and I purchased this product from Amazon. So people feel proud about purchasing the products from Amazon, and they will do word of mouth, and they will promote it with the help of word of mouth. So I mean, this is how the content goes on, say online also. So people will refer each other, and more and more people will come to our website. So that is the power of off page optimization. So now, even if your on page SEO is not that good, and if your off page SEO is very strong, then your content will come up. So even if I have done more on page SEO better than your website for digital marketing keyword, and but you have done better off page optimization than my on page optimization, then your website will come to the top than my website. So that is the power of off-page optimization, where you do not need to take care of all the complicated things and all the algorithms and search engine policies and all those things. You do not need to take care of anything on in off-page SEO. In off-page SEO, you will just promote your content everywhere. Wherever you see any website, you will write your post your content over there. That is off-page optimization. So that is the reason off-page optimization is the most powerful weapon in digital marketing, with which you can make your content viral. So that is off-page optimization. So like I said that we have meta tags and meta title tags and description, which I showed you. So in search engine, what we call as I'll just show it over here. When I go to all, say the text in blue color, wherever you see in organic or inorganic, wherever, say this blue color, that is called as title. That is meta title tags. So that is in meta title. So this title, whatever we write, this will come up over here. So in my blog, if I am writing Google apps, so that Google apps will come up over here. So that will come up over here, because that is title. Then we have meta title or page title. So that is one and the same thing, and these are the keywords that we are adding. So meta tags is the keyword which we use in our content. Then the next thing is meta description. So meta description is what I said that okay, this is the most important part. So it is not necessary that you take exactly 160 characters from your website. You can draft your own content and write in meta description place in WordPress that we have, so that which will be taken as meta description, and it will be decided and it will be come over here. This all content, whatever you see for any of the website, the URL, the title, the description, or all these tags that you see, this is Google is not who decides what content comes up over here. This is we who are going to decide that what content should come up over here, that what content should come up in title, what content should come up in this description, what keyword should come up over here, then what URL should come up over here. This is all we decide. It's not Google who decides. So this is the most important part where it will help people to take decision to click on this link then on this link, even though it has a 5-star and it is at the second position. But if this is what if I'm searching for, then I will go and click on this link. So this text is the deciding factor for the users who are searching for any keywords in search engine. So my meta description should be very effective, so that people will definitely go and click over there, so they will come to my website. So that is meta description. So then URL. So URL we have already discussed that whenever I have any content, my content should have URL. So say if I click on paid search marketing on my blog, then over here you can see paid search marketing is coming up over here. See, paid search marketing. So this paid search marketing is coming up in my URL. So my URL should also contain keywords of the page name. So that is what is it is showing over here. Then sitemap, we have already seen all the files. Then images, we have seen that okay, we need to we need to rename all the images before uploading on the site and using it on the page, so that whenever we write provide the names of the URLs, then it will come up in search engines. So because see, Google cannot read the images, they can read only the backend code what we have written off on our website. So if I'm searching for a chocolate cake, then how will Google know that this is a chocolate cake image or this is a digital marketing image? Because that is used by the text that we are using for this image, that is the name of the file, that is the first thing. Then there is a alt tag that we have to use, that is the name that Google which will understand that this image is about chocolate cake, so then this image will be displayed over here. So that is how we need to write all the naming conventions and all the parameters of the images for getting our images in search engine. So then headings, say like I said that you need to write headings, have headings after every 200 300 characters. So on this website, say over here, say this is the heading, then some content will come up, then again heading will come up, then again content will come up. So if I just increase the size of the font, say if my size of the font is this is 12 and this is I will make it 14 and I will make it bold, then it does not mean that this is a heading. Only if I use the heading tags in my code, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. H1 is the biggest one and H6 is the smallest one. So if I use heading tags, then Google bot who is coming to my website and crawling the content and reading the code, they will understand that okay fine, this website has headings, so many headings are available, and this content is good with respect to search engine strategies that have been implemented on this page. So for that reason we have to use proper conventions for everything. I cannot just increase the font and make it bold. I have to use the heading fonts, heading tags over here, that is H1, H2, H3, H4 or H5, H6. These are the heading tags. So that is heading tags. Then over here robot.txt file. So robot.txt file we have already seen what it does and what it can do and what directories it can allow, what it can block, and for which search engines it applies to. So over here it has all the descriptions which you can go through. I will send you all the details. I will send you this file. Sorry. Then you can have all the information. Then next is keywords. So keywords is very important. Say like there are various keywords that we need to use. Now you had asked me about your digital marketing keyword and my digital marketing keyword. Now say suppose if no one is searching for digital marketing, then what happens? Then whose website will come up in search engine? So for that reason we need to do some research that okay, if I want to use this particular keyword on my content in my website, say these are the 5 keywords that I want to use. So first of all I should know that how many people or how many times this particular keyword is searched in this particular month or the whole year, and from which country. So if I'm targeting, or say if my target audience is only India, then I should search that okay fine, for computer prices or digital marketing courses, how many searches have come from India for this particular keyword. If there are only 5 or 10 or 100 keywords, then it is very less, because say out of 125 crore people, if only 5 10 people or 100 people are searching, then it is very difficult that my website will even come up very near in search engine. It might not even come up at the 100 page, but people will never go to 100 page. They will maximum go to second or third page. They might not even go to the fourth page. So that is the reason we should make sure that we should know that which keyword are being used or are being searched the most from that particular location, and the number of times it has been searched. So don't worry, Google has provided us the tool which is called as Google Keyword Planner. So with the help of Google Keyword Planner, I will be able to find how many times this particular keyword is searched from which location. So which location, in the sense I can select worldwide, or I can select India or UK, US, or any country that I want, depending on the target audience of my website. So target audience means that if my website is only for India, then my target audience is India. So everywhere I will select India. So in keyword research also, I will search that how many times digital marketing is searched from India. So then I will get to know that okay, fine, people have searched for more than 1 lakh times, then it is okay. See, 1 lakh times is more than enough, and we can use that in our website. So out of even 1 lakh, even if 5,000 people are coming on our website, then it's more than enough every day. So that's fine. So we should use the keywords which people are searching. So that is what I meant to say, that before using any keywords in our content, the most important is that first of all we should know that whether people are actually searching for those keywords or not. So that is keyword research, which we will be taking up. Then the next thing is content and density. So content and density, which I've already talked before, that we have already discussed about it. Say like the number of times a keyword I am using in my content, that is the 3% of the content should be my keywords. So this is what it explains. So if my content is of 100 words, then I should use say 3 keywords 3 times. So I can use one keyword for 3 times, I can use 3 keywords for 3 times, I can use 5 keywords for 3 times. So like that I can use. But Google says that whenever you try to create any content for a website, whether it is a blog or a page, the minimum content should be of 300 words. Why 300 words? Because if I say only 100 words, then in that case, for if I want to use 2 keywords, then it would be very difficult for Google. See, in a normal 100-page word also, you will see a normal keywords like is, the, or, if, at. These all keywords are used more than say 30-40 times in 100 characters. After every line, in every line we use the. So I mean, will you consider the as a keyword? Are people going to search for the in Google? No, I mean, people are not going to search for the, is, or, and, or, but, if. These are not the keywords. So for that reason, Google says that you need to have minimum 300 words, so that you can differentiate between the common words and the actual keywords which you are writing on the topic that you have decided. So the minimum content should be 300 words, and the optimum limit should be between 300 to 800 words for any content. So if you're writing a blog, then it can be of 300 to 800 words, that's fine. So but it doesn't mean that you cannot exceed 800 words. So on my website I might be having many blogs which are exceeding even 2000 words, or say even 4000 words. So that's still fine, so that is not the problem. But the only thing is that you have to take more efforts for searching keywords and placing all the keywords uniformly across the content. So because if your content is of say 4000 words or even 1000 words, then I cannot put say 3%, that is 30 keywords just in one paragraph, and say that okay fine, I have used 3%. No, then Google will give you an error. Google will say that you have abused the keywords, so you have used keyword stuffing, so that you cannot use. So you have to use it uniformly across the content. So from the first paragraph to the last paragraph, you have to use that particular keyword uniformly. The same way all the keywords should be used uniformly. In one paragraph you cannot just finish it off. No, that is not possible. So that is content and keyword density that we have to use in our content. Then yes, there are various things that we need to use. So I mean, there are various research tools and various research strategies that we need to take care of while we are doing research. So we have tools for doing various researches available. What type of researches are available to get our content to the top? What are the keyword research tools available? So keyword research tools, content research tools, say whenever you want to start any business, you need to know that whether people in that particular location will be using this product or services or not, or whether people are searching for these kind of services or products in their area or not. If no one is searching for that product or service in that particular area, then there's no point in starting any business in that particular location. So I mean, that would be a very risky thing, or else you might have to struggle a lot. See, it is a having a very plus point as well as a negative point. Negative point because no one is using those kind of products or services, and the positive because you are the first and the only person in that area to sell that product and services. So if in future people, if you try to convince the people for your products and services, you will make millions of rupees or dollars, because there is no competition in that area. People were not using it, you convince them, and then you are selling those products and services to those people. So I mean, everything has pros and cons about everything. So yes, we will see everything in the keyword research and the content research that we will be using, and with the help of various tools which will make our life easy for getting our content to the top. So yes, that all we'll do in keyword research. So yes, I mean, there are other slides, I mean, which are related to separate modules. So we will be seeing that in the next session. So from the next session, we will be starting everything practically. Now there won't be any slides until and unless we might start a new module, or in that module if slides might be required, only till then we will do everything practically. So now the course is starting practically. So in the next session when we start, I will be doing adding a blog on my website, wherein I will be teaching you all the things like what we learned over here, say all the keywords, on page optimization, say like how to add title tags, what are title tags, how we'll be adding description, how we'll be selecting the URL, how we'll be doing the site navigation, then site maps. These all things we will be doing practically from the next session. So now with this practical sessions, I will also be creating a small website for you, wherein you will be given your username and password so that you can add the content in your website, so you can practice everything. Whatever I will be teaching you, you will be practicing everything for your website. So that is what you will be doing. So this is not a theoretical course. Everything whatever you will be doing, I will be monitoring everything. And yes, this is a practical course. Unless and until you are not through with the first module, I will not go to the next module. So by end of the course,
Okay.
you will not be able to say that I did not know this module. So everything is practical. So be rest assured that you will 100% learn digital marketing and you will master digital marketing at the end of this course. That's my
Okay.
Yes, so today it's Tuesday. So our next session is on Monday. So we will continue on Monday 3:30 or 3 o'clock. I will put it on the group, so you will get to know, or I'll message you. And if in between, if I get some time, say maybe on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, then I will tell you. If you have time, then we can take additional lectures also. So that is not a problem. So because say one of my batches are getting completed.
I am free only.
Sorry.
I am free only, so you need to remove time for me now.
Okay, okay, no problem. So fine, I'll let you know.
Hmm.
See, actually, two of my batches are getting completed. See, right now I'm full of batches from morning till evening. So once at least one batch will get completed, then I can give you that slot. Then second batch will get completed, then I can give you that time. So till that time, we will continue on Mondays. So Monday and Tuesdays I am free. So I have some time on Tuesdays also. So currently we can have on Mondays and Tuesdays, but at least if we have some gap in between, then you will get some time to practice. So whatever we are learning on Monday, you get the time on say at least 2-3 days time you get in between to practice everything. Then maybe again we take a batch on Friday, and then again we take, after Friday we again take a batch on Monday. Then it's good. Then for after every batch you get 3 days time to practice in between, or 2 days time to practice in between. So then it's worth it, because unless and until you do not do it practically, you will not understand everything. So I want no, so yes, of course I will schedule the batches accordingly, and let you know the timings available. So if it is feasible, you can take up any batches. I will give you 3-4 options. So out of that, you can select the number of options available. So yes, so maybe within a day or two, I'll let you know. So do you have any questions for today? Hello. Yeah, you have any questions for today? I'm not able to hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
So whatever questions I had asked you in between only.
Okay.
So if there are more questions, then I'll ask you. I'll message you or I'll call
Yeah,
you.
yeah, no problem. You can message me on WhatsApp. So whenever I get time, I will get back to you on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then. See you.
And so on next Monday we are meeting, no?
Yes, ideally on next Monday. But if I have some schedule available, then I will let you know in 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. So goodbye for
Okay.
today.
Um,
Yeah.
okay.
Bye
Goodbye.
bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.